Hi, I'm Eric Rodriguez, Product Manager for Holophane Industrial. I'm here to introduce you to the all-new Phuzion PHG, the high bay that was designed to deliver performance that's anything but basic. The upgraded Phuzion PHG high bay will elevate your outdated HID or fluorescent lighting to create an environment that is comfortably lit, protected from contaminants, and is virtually maintenance-free. The PHG is capable of achieving up to 36,000 lumens and 55 degrees Celsius in its new design, also offering both standard and high efficiency options that can provide over 170 lumens per watt. One of the highlights of this fixture are the 21 different optical choices, giving you the ability to select from multiple distributions, materials, and reflectors currently available. And that's just the jumping off point. Also new for the PHG is the Holophane Prism Pack, which was designed for dirty environments using the sealed aluminum shroud to minimize dirt accumulation and improve optical efficiency. These custom optics also deliver up to 12% uplight to help reduce the cave-like effect that is common in high bay applications. We've also upgraded numerous options on the PHG, including the controls offering, battery backup, and the robust tank driver for wider application possibilities. In addition to the hook or pendant mounts that support a simple one-to-one replacement of outdated lighting, the new aircraft cable mounting method allows you to replace a linear fixture with a PHG. With all these incredible upgrades, the application possibilities for the Phuzion PHG are limitless. Whether it's warehouse, retail, automotive, or gymnasiums, PHG's got you covered. To learn more, visit holophane.com.